before you start your UPSC Prelims 2027 preparation, I would like to appeal every UPSC aspirant to do one thing. Please delete that belief in you which says that UPSC Prelims is unpredictable. UPSC Prelims is random. Please, if you have a single thought also that UPSC Prelims is unpredictable, please delete that. Because today I'm going to reveal to you the secret patterns of UPSC Prelims paper, how questions get repeated as per the patterns. And if you identify these patterns, I can tell you your prelims preparation for 2027 will become very easy. Guys, I'm not going to give you a general motivation. I'm going to show you real questions which came in 2026 prelims examination, 2025 prelims examination. And with that, I'm going to reveal you a pattern. Guys, if you use these patterns in your preparation, you can focus on things which are very important. Guys, the problem with the UPSC prelims examination is it is very vast. And since it is very vast, if you do not know what is important and what is not important, all your hard work is going to go waste. And that is what happens to 99% of the aspirants. If you want to be in the top 1%, you have to learn these patterns and you have to focus on things which are very important. So let me show you one question which came in 2026 prelims examination. This is a very factual question and this is next to impossible to solve this if you do not know this, if you have not read about this. And reading this is really very challenging. But what if I reveal that this question was based on a pattern? What is that pattern? The pattern is anniversary. You can see 2026 was 75th anniversary of 1951 Refugee Convention, and this was asked in 2026 prelims examination. Whenever there is an anniversary, whenever there is 75 years, 50 years, 25 years, 100 years, 150 years, UPSC loves those topics. And this is why they have asked this organization, and this was the answer to this question. Okay, if you go through the Wikipedia page of this organization, you will see clearly it is mentioned that it is the one organization of United Nations which has got the Nobel Prize twice. Not only that, let me reveal you something more interesting about the question. In 2025 CDS examination, which happened, I think, in the month of October, they already asked this question. Why? Again, the same logic here, because 2025, 2026 was the 75 years. You can see in all the UPSC conducted examination, whether it is CDS, whether it is civil services, these patterns are getting repeated. Topics are same. Why? Because the question setters, they have a pattern on asking questions. The problem is most of the people in the country, they don't understand this pattern and they spread the myth that UPSC is random, UPSC is unpredictable, because they don't know. Okay, so please stop believing in these things that UPSC prelims is random. It is not random, guys. I can tell you, I myself have cracked prelims examination 6 out of 6 times. Okay, you can see here the scorecards I have. Okay, you can see this is 30 marks more than the cutoff. This is 30 marks more than the cutoff. Guys, I have cleared prelims all 6 times. I have cleared mains 4 times. I have also cleared my state service examination. I was allotted state administrative service, the deputy collector rank. So you can see the predictability. You can see the predictability of my results. 6 times prelims cleared. If UPSC prelims is such random, then how can someone crack prelims 6 out of 6 times? This is not. See, we have to accept one thing. Prelims is not unpredictable. Our preparation is unpredictable because we are not preparing in the manner in which the question setters are thinking. We have to understand the mindset of the question setters, and that is what I teach in my prelims mentorship. Guys, I would like to appeal every one of you to stay till the end of this video, and I'm going to reveal to you the patterns which get repeated every year. And once you understand this pattern, no one can stop you from cracking the prelims examination. I have only one appeal from you: stay till the end and do hype this video and like this video so that it reaches more number of aspirants, and many aspirants will easily crack the prelims examination once they know this. Okay, so let me just show you some more questions. Okay, you can see this question, Bardoli Satyagraha 2026 prelims question. You can see why this was asked, because Sardar Patel 158th anniversary is there. For the next 2 years, okay, 2025, 2026, we are going to celebrate this 158th birth anniversary. You can see here how UPSC asked a question related to that, because Sardar Patel was one of the greatest leader as far as the peasants are concerned. Kheda Andolan, okay, Bardoli Andolan, okay, many Andolan he participated. Okay, that is why this was asked. Again, see one more question. Okay, you can see here. This is one of the toughest question. Okay, Hilton Young Commission, 1926. Why? 100 years. This was covered in many newspapers. You can see this is the Hindu newspaper clipping of last year. You can see here, 100 years. So the point is that UPSC is repeating a pattern. UPSC is repeating a pattern, and that pattern is anniversaries. Whenever 10 years, 25 years, 50 years, 100 years, 75 years, UPSC is going to definitely ask a question. Every year, 5 to 6 questions repeat from this pattern. Let me show you more questions. That one of the toughest question in economy this year was also based on this pattern. I'm going to show you this. See this question. I can guarantee you most of the aspirant may have left this question, but this question was also directly on the same pattern. You can see this Hindu newspaper clipping from last year. You can see here the futures and options, which is in news. Okay, you must be knowing that futures and options are becoming quite popular in India. Many retail traders are doing futures and options, and the SEBI and the finance ministry is quite concerned about it because many people are incurring huge losses. You know, futures and options were introduced in India just 25 years, exactly 25 years before, by LC Gupta committee. You can see here, LC Gupta committee was asked this. You can see here. So now also, will you tell that UPSC prelims is unpredictable? Tell me, honestly tell me, now do you believe UPSC prelims is unpredictable? This is directly from the Hindu. Okay, this is directly from the Hindu newspaper. That is why I tell everyone, okay, Hindu newspaper, guys, this is one resource which you should read, okay, minutely. Guys, if you follow my daily prelims notes, I'm covering Hindu newspaper exhaustively, and I'm framing 10 questions on Hindu newspaper daily. Solve these 10 questions, because these 10 questions I'm preparing by linking Hindu newspaper to the PYQs. Do not miss this opportunity, guys. I'll show you many more questions like this. Many more questions. This was one of the toughest question in the economy. I can tell you many people may have left this. They are saying it is random question. No, it is not random question. Just imagine if they have to ask a question on LC Gupta committee. Okay, suppose they want to ask a question on LC Gupta committee. Do you think UPSC will ask a single question on LC Gupta committee? Will it that be a good question? Or what they have done, they have taken all the important committees of economy and they have asked a matching pair question. So from here only they are deriving this. Okay, many people will say, for only one topic is mentioned here, other options are not mentioned here. But imagine this now. Suppose when you read this LC Gupta committee, how you have to prepare this topic? You have to think, okay, committees are in news, economic committees are in news. So what are the other important committees? So obviously, guys, Urjit Patel committee is one of the most important committee in economy. This was asked. Maligan committee is also very important. Microfinance. This also, I think, completing 15 years. So UPSC has a pattern, guys. The point is that you have to identify it. And if you cannot identify it, you have to rely on experts like me who have deciphered this pattern, who have discovered this pattern. And guys, I have used this pattern during my preparation days. And for the last 6-7 years, every year I've been predicting many questions using various such patterns. This is one such pattern. Okay, if you want me to reveal more patterns, do comment in this video, do like this video, because the more you like this video, the more you support this video, I also get motivation to come out with such excellent videos for you. Okay, so guys, okay, let us move to the next question, guys. You can see this is 2025 UPSC question, dancing girl, Mohenjo-daro. This was also directly taken from the same theme of 100 years. You can see here 100 years of Harappa. 2024 marked 100 years of Harappa discovery, and exactly you can see this question was asked in 2025. So something which happened in 2024, 100 years, so they are asking in 2025 because it was in September 2024. Okay, because September, okay, 1924. Okay, so 100 years, and you can see next year this question came. And you know, like, because it is 100 years now, this year also there was a question on Harappa civilization, this year also. And I'm telling you, for next 2-3 years, Harappa civilization question will come every year. Why? Because 100 years. Okay, next you can see another this question. Such questions are very difficult. Okay, kings. Okay, many people they ignore ancient India, many people they ignore medieval India, but here also you can see this is directly taken from the same theme. 1000 years. You can see here 1000 years. Okay, Rajendra Chola one. Okay, you can see here Prime Minister Modi talking about it. Okay, so you can see this anniversary theme. This anniversary theme is becoming very, very important. You can see here, the Ministry of Culture is all set to celebrate birth anniversary of great Chola Emperor Rajendra Chola I. You can see here. This special celebration is also commemorating 1000 years of Rajendra Chola legendary maritime expedition to Southeast Asia. Exactly this question was asked. Exact question was asked. Okay. So UPSC has a pattern. Okay. Once you identify this pattern, then no one can stop you. Again, this question, 2025 question, self-respect movement. This was also directly taken 100 years of self-respect movement. You can see here. 2025 newspaper. You can see exactly this question came. Okay, like this, guys, there are so many questions. Every year, I'm telling you, every year, at least 5 to 6 questions. You know, guys, many people say that, okay, many people say, sir, okay, you are just showing 4 or 5 questions. I'm telling you, for good students, okay, I know many aspirants who are working very hard, okay, who are working very hard. They are losing by only 5-10 marks only. What do you think? Good students, they are losing the prelims by 30-40 marks. No, all good students, if you see, if the cutoff is 85, they are reaching around 75 to 80 marks. If the cutoff is 90, they are reaching 85 marks. Why this 5-10 marks gap is there? Because of these questions. They are not able to identify and they are not able to predict which questions are important. I can help you do that because I have done that myself, and for the last so many years, I have proved this. Guys, start practicing my most important questions, which I am giving you daily in my prelims initiative. Guys, do join my Telegram channel. And guys, this is the unique opportunity for you to get guided by someone who has cracked himself. See, you are not getting guidance from a random person. Okay, I have done myself. Okay, prelims, you can see. Okay, undisputable, 6 out of 6 prelims. This is your golden opportunity. Do not miss this, because 90% of the aspirants, I'm telling you, they are waiting till January, they are waiting till February, and that is too late. I'm telling you, every year I see this. Every year I interact with at least 10,000 aspirants, and I can tell you, I'm sharing you my experience. Everyone, okay, who starts late, they regret it on the month of, like in the month of May, on the day of exam. They regret this. Okay, do you want to be that person who regrets it on the day of exam, that I would have started early the prelims? So do not regret, guys. Start early, take action. Take action. Action is what something which can save you. And what kind of action you need? You need to solve good quality question. That is the only thing which can help you to crack prelims examination. Again, I would like to appeal everyone, do hype this video and share this video with everyone who is preparing for prelims examination. Next. You can see in front of you many questions which I gave in LAQSHYA 2026 test series have come in the prelims examination. Also, guys, I gave some flashcards for quick revision before the exam. These flashcards were only on the expected topic. A lot of questions have come from the flashcards also. Like this, in 2027 LAQSHYA also, I'll be giving you predicted questions and flashcards for quick revision.